So hey guys, I just got off of work. It's been a long day in the Florida sun. You know how it is. Um, it's time to take a shower, and luckily, I just got my shipment in from O Captain, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys because I got actually a few bars of soap that we're going to test out today. And just so you see here, this is the box. Let's open it up. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got 4 different soaps. I have to tell you, like, before I even get into talking about the different soaps, when I was doing that unboxing portion of the video, I just was blasted with just fragrance that was just so pleasant and surprising that I've never smelled something so pleasant before from a soap. You know, like, I just opened this and I just got these nice citrusy, very awesome smells. I'm just actually really surprised. So this is completely genuine reaction here. That was amazing. But continuing on, let's go. I mean, we'll just kind of smell these out real quick and see. You know, like, this is from O Captain Men's Depot. They actually sent me a nice little magnet here. Pretty cool. This one here is the Sons of Timber. And it just has a nice earthy, woodsy kind of smell to it. Yeah, pretty nice. I would say, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's more foresty, but then we have this one here is the Appalachian Breeze, which kind of just smells like the wind. Honestly, I don't even know how else to explain it. This one has like a more earthy, woodsy kind of taste or smell to it, and then this one just smells like a very nice breeze that you get just from walking in the woods. So it's really cool how these ones are kind of both foresty themed, but have just these different kind of aromas that give you a different effect. These ones here, we've got GatorAle Florida Style IPA. And this one, you can just really, honestly, I'm from Florida, and I smell the orange. And it just smells like citrus, and this just, it's so pleasant. It just makes me want to smile, honestly. Like, what? That's craziness. And this one just, honestly, seems a little bit more tame. Still get those kind of citrusy notes. Overall, just really pleasant, nice solid block. This one actually has some stuff in it. So maybe it's, you know, one of those exfoliators. It's got all the ingredients on the back. These are completely naturally based soaps, just really geared towards, you know, men's health and hygiene, because, you know, a lot of stuff we get out there isn't really good. It's all, you know, detergents and uncool stuff, not really good for the skin. These seem like a really cool thing, so let's try it out. I think I'm gonna go actually with the GatorAle in the shower, and we'll see how it goes. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so that was an awesome shower. This soap is really good. It's still like, I mean, I can smell it on my skin. My skin just feels really nice and and smooth. You know, like I just feel like it was a nice hearty shower too. It's not like, you know, girly smelling, or it doesn't feel like it feels like it's made for men. It is really what I'm trying to get at, and I just really am thrilled that, I mean, it came out so well. I mean, that was just an awesome experience. So let's talk about like my first impressions. I think that these are very good, especially for what's out there right now. You know, we've got, you know, the other the Bigfoot guy and stuff like that. But I think this one actually, and I've ordered from them before, and they take a little longer to get here. These took me only like 2 days to get here, so these shipped very quickly, and they were delivered very quickly. So that was cool. I got this little variety pack that came with 4 soaps. You know, I got the 4. I used the GatorAle there, and that one was probably my favorite smelling one out of the ones that I've tried so far. And yeah, I mean, honestly, for the price, you know, for the price of the soaps, and how well the smell sticks to your skin, and how good it makes your skin feel. Like, I feel very good. I feel fresh. You know, which is, you know, what typical soaps are supposed to do, but they don't really always get it to that level that this soap is. So yeah, I mean, I think this is a really good soap, and if you're really considering switching to a more natural kind of soap product, as a man, I think this O Captain soap is the way to go.